Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can get custom pieces in chess.com if you want to spruce things up or make things more cooler or interesting in your chess games in chess.com. It's quite simple. Log into your account, and once you're logged in, I want you to click on the settings tab or settings icon here. It's the cogwheel on the lower left corner, like so. When you click on that, this pop-up will appear. Click on all settings. There you go. Once you are in the settings page right here, by default, it's going to be on the board and pieces. Now, on board and pieces, it's going to be by default on boards, right? So I want you to click on pieces beside it, like so. And you can just choose whatever chess piece set you can get. So, for example, if you want to click on this one, you're going to see a preview over here on your right-hand side. If you click on this one, it's going to show you all the features that you can have when it comes to like choosing the right one. If you want something cooler, you can choose this one. You want something a bit wacky, you can choose this cartoon-esque chess piece set. And after that, just click on save. There you go. As you can see, it is now set to your board. There you go. So that is how you customize your chess pieces in chess.com. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.